It's time, y'all. It's time for fall. The FabFitFun Fall box, that is. Let's do some unboxing. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. We're gonna go over everything in the box, and then you're gonna click the link in video description and use code HEATHERT20 for 20% off your first box. FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. I think this is my 4th FabFitFun box I've done. I love partnering with them to get good stuff. Curate your own box from their list of stuff so you get exactly what you want at amazing prices. Let's do this. Ta-da. Ta-da. Ah, my box is eating me. Oh my gosh! We got some really good stuff. Let's check them out. First up, we got Verb Ghost Prep Heat Protectant. To protect your hair before you hair dry it or curl it or flat iron it, whatever. I need this desperately. I just got one of those fun automatic rotating hair curlers, so it's gonna be amazing. For weightless moisture, heat protection, and frizz control. Yes, yes, yes. No parabens, glutens, or sulfates. It's a styling primer formulated to moisturize and heat protect hair up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Very, wow. Interesting texture. Let's try some out. What's it do? Okay, just goes right in. It's gonna be awesome because my hair is double bleached and colored down here, so I'm always terrified it's gonna break off when I break out, pun intended, the curling iron. So this is gonna be great. It smells amazing too. Next. This is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. The package says this luxurious multi-benefit cream with advanced hyaluronic acid technology conditions and soothes the skin for a youthfully smooth texture. Coconut extract helps provide enhanced moisture retention and restore the skin barrier. Use AM and PM, massage evenly over the face, neck, and chest. Follow with a Murad sunscreen during the day. It's very rich and creamy. There are no fragrances or anything. Good stuff. And look at that, no irritation. Nice. Next, this is the Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream featuring hyaluronic acid and witch hazel. For all skin types, I don't generally suffer from dark eye circles, but I do have very sensitive skin, so let's test it out on that. The package says this award-winning cooling gel nourishes, smooths, and soothes with aloe and hyaluronic acid while also illuminating dark shadows. Use fingertips to tap onto cleansed skin under and around the delicate eye area until absorbed. Use twice daily. Very fresh, nice feel. There's no stinging or burning, which honestly I experienced that with a lot of makeup and cream, so this is very like cool and refreshing. There's no negative feelings there. What do we think? I don't know if this is like an immediate thing or like works over time, but I could say there's no irritation and it feels nice. That's a win. Moving on. This is Youthforia Color Changing Blush Oil. The package says this is a blush oil that reacts to your skin's unique chemistry for a soft glow. How to use it: dab 2 dots on each cheek and blend with brush. Don't apply on lips. Keep away from direct sunlight. I don't have a makeup brush. I don't know the last time I wore blush. It's been years, I think, before kids possibly, so I'm gonna use my fingers. This is super fun. Look at this little container. It's like a lip gloss, but they specifically say don't use it on your lips. Okay, do 2 dabs, and then we'll just blend it in gently. I don't know. I mean, whoa. Whoa! Shut the front door. This is so fun. It's like just a little. I love this. All right, this next one is useful after I've had all those lotions and a blush oil on my hands. This is Botanicals Selfcare Hand and Body Wash from Cuccio Somatology. The scent is Sandalwood and Sage. Yes, that smells good. Really like gender neutral, like a spa kind of smell with the sandalwood and sage. Oh, it gets really nice and foamy. It feels good. It smells good. It's gonna clean hands, body, face, you name it. Good stuff. Next up, Ricola Caramel Flavor Throat Balm. The active ingredient is 7.6 milligrams of pectin to temporarily relieve sore mouth or sore throat. Let's try it out because I am very picky about my throat lozenges. I hate menthol and eucalyptus and all those like medicine-y tasting stuff, so I'm a little nervous. There are 6 individually wrapped drops in here. Here it is. Here we go. Oh, it's like a peppermint And Werther's Original had a baby. It's good. It's a minty caramel, like really good. This is delicious. I think this is a bonus because usually FabFitFun only has the full size stuff. I think this was a bonus that Ricola threw in the fall boxes, or at least in mine. Because this is a sample size, there's only 6 in here. But I'm sold, this stuff's good. I'm gonna enjoy this and then we'll move on to the next one. Give me a minute. It got even better. There was like this surprise creamy middle in the center at the very end. Oh, delicious, love it. Last but not least, definitely not least, this one's really exciting. This is a Reebok 2-in-1 digital jump rope. Oh my goodness. I don't know what's happening here, but I'm here for it. Pretty purple. They have a nice grippy rubber or silicone. I don't know, but it's gonna be nice and easy to hold. Your hand won't slip out. Here are your 2 handles with little bowls. I don't know what those are. One of the handles has a digital display. I guess this is the battery. Oh, there we go. Ready to go. It looks like it comes with a big old button battery in there, so that should be super long lasting, but when you do need to replace it, that's gonna be easy in there. Little instructions here. You can input your weight. That way it'll more accurately count how many calories you're burning. It'll time how long you're doing the jump roping and how many loops you've done. It shows you how to install the loop and the ideal length you should have it on. Oh, guys, use it as is for a ropeless version of jump roping. So these go around to simulate the jump rope. Oh my god! That way you can do it inside and in an area where you don't have to worry about hitting someone or something. This is so cool. And then if you want to install and do a traditional jump rope, you can do that. That's where the 2-in-1 is. This is so neato! Press set and then this is kilograms. Hey Siri, how many kilograms is 130 pounds?
It's 58.97 kilograms.
Thank you. 59, and then we do set. Let's do it for 30 seconds. Set. So we're gonna do 50 loops. That's so cool. And then the timer stops if you stop. All right, keep going. Gotta make it happy. Do the full 30 seconds. Yay. The alarm goes off when you finish the time that you set. This is so awesome. I love that you can jump rope without the actual rope. That's everything I chose for my box. Don't forget you can get 20% off your box with code HEATHERT20, affiliate link in the description below. You will get a great deal on your box. I will get some commission. It is a win-win for everyone. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because I do these videos for FabFitFun every season, and I do tons of other videos. I do product and travel reviews. I do fun stuff with my family and our guinea pigs. Stay tuned for those. Thanks for watching.